Hello my friends, and welcome back to the channel and to the workshop. In this video we continue the adventure with the Golf or the Renault R5 Turbo, perhaps. And not perhaps turbo, perhaps I will make it. By now I concentrate on the Golf. And here we start the work. Before, I would like you to watch carefully at the poor conditions of the model. Very dirt. Some problems here. He used tape. I don't know why. Some scratches. And the frame is in very poor conditions. Tires. Now we proceed with washing. First body, then undo the frame to wash carefully every single piece. And this is the whole chassis completely undo. And you can see the conditions. Now, cleaning is not just to have a better look, but it's useful to check the conditions of the pieces and to renew some pieces, like tires. They are so dry, old, dirt. I can do something. The disposition of all the pieces is like this, because for sure I can remember all the screws and so on. I haven't checked it, but I think that I don't have instructions about this car. I can find instructions, and this I will do for sure. But with this picture, I can rebuild the car using the right screws where they are needed. Now I go to wash everything and to refurbish all the parts that need some special treatment. And here we have the car completely undo and washed at the sun to get dry. Then we can work refitting the parts, repainting the nose. Oh, what else? Tires, I already told you. And here we have a nice surprise. 2 ball bearings on the rear. So we have just to change bushes on the front. We need 4 ball bearings, standard ball bearings. And I have another good news. This, I have instructions, original, mint, super nice. Wow, we had a pilot. The pilot is missing. Now I have to find this kind of pilot. I want the pilot on the car. And perfect. Perhaps the previous owner gave me this. This is the speed controller. Maybe I mount also a mechanical speed controller. Why not? Just to show. And we have everything. The body. The pilot was mounted here near the servo. Wonderful solution. Whoa, this support. This I don't have. This is important. And the car was born for 6 volts, but we can put also the amp battery for 7.2, maybe 7.4, no, 7.2 nickel metal hydride. I've changed the battery, the cells inside. I made a great work, and now I have an old-fashioned but modern battery. So this is fantastic. We can rebuild the car exactly. And this is part of the work. Today I made this. I found this wonderful engine, red cap. It's quite. Once it was the best. To now, I don't know. A little upgrade, neoprene here for the battery holder in order not to have the battery on the frame. Next step, servo. You see, I'm waiting for bearings and we are very near to the test. Today we mount the body parts, then I have ball bearings, but I show you near. I was saying, body parts, just to mount the front on the body with this support and these screws. Then I have ball bearings instead of the bushing. This is the key for the wheels. Then I have to mount the servo, the steering servo, and at the end I bought these connectors for the engine. These are wires, these are connectors, and this is the engine. Not a great work, but quite nice. Let's start. Comment, like and subscribe. The work is done. Here there's the receiver, very easily, fast to remove. Wires, quite okay, not super okay, but it's okay. Rubber band for the battery. The engine, I think, that runs in the right way. And now we can have a test. Let's see what happens. Yes, right way. Look at the smoothness of this ESC. Steering more than enough. My friends, we can have a test. And so, my friends, for today I think it's enough. Quite a detailed work to refitting this wonderful car. I would like to have in that colors, but black is going to be nice. So next video, the test on the track. By now, comment, like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate your comments and ciao!